chemistry is an interesting subject that you could probably dive into and spend an hour plus talking about different types of solutions, different types of, whether they're enzyme based, whether they're traditional alkalis, different type of surfactants, all those things that go into, and there's literally hundreds, if not thousands, of different formulas and changes, and all these different type of technology. It kind of comes down to what you are washing. Do you have a light soil load? What are you trying to achieve? I'll give you an example: chlorine bleach versus an oxygen bleach. Chlorine bleach will, alkalinity, the pH will affect how fast it burns with temperature. So higher the pH, the higher the temperature. Oxygen bleach requires very high temperatures to get it to activate to do its thing. Well, so what are you giving up by doing that? Now you're putting a lot more energy into it. It's a lot more expensive, but it's a little more color safe. So those are all things that go into chemistry that really you need an expert that understands to have choices and bring you that knowledge and that expertise based on what you're trying to accomplish in that wash wheel on the product that you're trying to get clean, and whether it's medical, industrial, kind of low soil being hospitality, etc. So those are all ideas and concepts that you've got to have, some very good people to be able to properly apply that chemistry. Well, I gave you a good example of oxygen bleach requires very high temperature, so that when you're talking 160 degree plus maybe 180 degree water, that's very expensive to heat that water up. There's always trade-offs, right? So there isn't a perfect solution out there. We're very cognizant of what we're putting down the drain, and there's very traditional type chemistry, and there's certainly like enzymes and some other things that are very effective that can do it at a very low cost method. Using ozone in the wash wheel will disinfect. Using 3 molecules of oxygen reverts back to O2. That is a combination with some eco-friendly chemicals. Very green type of solution. So those are all different choices out there, and a lot of knowledge goes into that. So.